Here are the top 10 countries with the highest rates of children born out of wedlock to unmarried parents, based on recent data. Top 10 countries by births outside marriage or where marriages are dying. 1. Iceland, 70%. 2. France, 60%. 3. Bulgaria, 59%. 4. Slovenia, 58%. 5. Norway, 56%. 6. Estonia, 56%. 7. Sweden, 55%. 8. Denmark, 54%. 9. Portugal, 53%. 10. Netherlands, 52%. Keynotes. Nordic and Western European countries dominate the list due to strong social support systems and changing cultural norms around marriage. Latin America also has high rates, e.g., Chile 70%, Mexico 60%, but data varies by source. The US is around *40%, while the *UK is close to 48%. Thanks for watching Farsihi Educators.